Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading It's St. Patrick's Day by Rebecca Gomez and Mary Morgan. Please enjoy. It's St. Patrick's Day. It's St. Patrick's Day. The holiday is here. It's March 17th, the same day every year. It's St. Patrick's Day. We love to dress in green. Irish eyes will smile. Will leprechauns be seen? It's St. Patrick's Day. Hurry up, get dressed. There's a lot to celebrate. You'll want to look your best. It's St. Patrick's Day, so wear a lot of green. Choose hats, coats, shirts, or anything in between. It's St. Patrick's Day. Let's find a 4-leaf clover. We'll celebrate the Irish before the day is over. Last year with the race, 20 homers, 111 games. The most career games he's had in the big leagues. It's St. Patrick's Day. Let's make some Irish stew. Add potatoes, carrots, onions. Serve it hot for me and you. Another one to Scrub credit here. I mean, last fought off some good pitches. And yet Scrub kept 4 strikes. It's St. Patrick's Day. We could dance an Irish reel. We will drink sweet green juice at each and every meal. It's St. Patrick's Day. Tune the harp and tune the fiddle. We'll eat our favorite cookies with green icing in the middle. Coaches in this classic, Larry Walker, first base coach for Canada, bench coach, former manager. It's St. Patrick's Day, no matter where you were born. Today you could be Irish and wish everyone top of all the morning. That was part of Mexico's run to the 7th. It's St. Patrick's Day. Let's sing an Irish song. We'll wear our green carnations and celebrate all day long. It's St. Patrick's Day. Do you hear the pipes and drums? Let's join the celebration. Do you want to come? It's St. Patrick's Day. Irish music will be played. Be sure to get to the main street to watch the big parade. Happy St. Patrick's Day! Well, everybody, do you celebrate St. Patrick's Day? If you do, can you give me a big thumbs up? Let me know if you celebrate St. Patrick's Day. And do you wear green? Let me know with a thumbs up. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, share it, if you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got plenty. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one and take care, everybody. And thanks for watching.